Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's video is about recovering your Electronic Arts account. So if you'd earlier signed up for your EA account but somehow forgot the password to it, but now want to retrieve all of your data and information from the account by recovering your account, this is the video for you. So stick with me till the very end of this video to find out how you can recover your account. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to ea.com. As you go to ea.com, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where on the upper right hand side you can see different options, one of which is the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. As you tap on the profile icon, you'll see an option that says sign in, so tap on sign in. And as soon as you tap on sign in, you will now be directed towards a page where you will be asked of some certain credentials in order to log into your account. Now here you'll have to enter your phone number or email and then your password. But now, because you have forgotten your password, you'll have to simply tap on the option Need Help Logging In. As you tap on Need Help Logging In, it says here that for your password recovery, what you have to do is you have to enter your email address or EA ID over here. So I'm just going to enter my EA ID because I remember that. And then I have to enter the text here, the above text, in order to prove that I am a human that's trying to log into my own account. So after doing this, tap on Send. And now here it says that there have been certain instructions that have been sent to my email. Now I'll have to go and check out for my email address that I'd earlier given in order to sign up to the Electronic Arts account to see if I have received any sort of information from the Electronic Arts. So here I'm just waiting for my email, and here I've already received it. So I'm just going to open it and then see and look forward to the instructions that are given here. So here it says to choose a new password and complete your request, please follow the link below. So I can simply tap on the link, open it via a browser, and now I will be taken towards an interface where I will be allowed to enter a new password. So here I'm just going to set up a completely new password for my account now. And after doing this, I can simply tap on Submit. And here it says that your password has been changed. So now what I can do is I can go back to the same browser again and then tap on Back to Sign In, and now enter my email address over here. And after doing so, I can also enter the password that I just reset for my account. So make sure that you remember the password very well and then tap on Sign In. And as soon as I tap on sign in, I will now be logged into my account. And when I tap on the profile icon on the upper right hand side, I will be able to view that I have already been logged into my account as per the information given by the Gmail address. So this is basically how you can recover your account even though you'd earlier forgotten your password. I hope this video has been useful to you in guiding you through the process, and if it was helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.